Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Toyota Corolla LE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, power windows, window defogger, cruise control, keyless entry, and power moonroof. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.